Hello everyone. Today we're going to make the getter and setter methods for our class. Let's make a getter method for the car class. First we write the get keyword. After that we write the name of the method. This get method will return the car brand name. Now we add the set method. First we write the keyword set. After that the name of the method. And we specify the parameter that the set method will take. The set method will then take the new brand name, and replace the current car name with the new one. Now let's use the set method to change the car1 object brand name to BMW. We write the object name followed by the set method name s name. After that we set the brand parameter to BMW. Now we're going to use the get method gname to get the car name, and use it in console log to output it as a message. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe.